no hair expert, but today I'm gonna dye my own hair.
Hello, it's me.
Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a little live vlog that I decided to dye my hair in front of the camera for the first time. I have been doing it for several years actually. I've always dyed my own hair. I tried different hair color, but I've always did it by myself. I also cut my own hair. Actually, that's what the current hairstyle presents to you. You might think, it's easy because you've got long hair. Actually, if you look at this picture here, I had it trimmed to a short hair from a medium length. I also do curl my own hair, but that's another story. Anyway, today let's try to explore this. If you think this is funny, just keep watching. I'm going to show you guys several tools and several gadgets that I find extremely helpful when you're trying to do it at home by yourself as well. Now, the first thing, of course, besides the hair products themselves, right? I've got these kind of gloves. Now, these are very useful when it comes to, actually dye your hair. So here's that, little bands, so one section, after I'm done with one section, I could just kind of like tie them up. You will see I will be doing this in a second. Like it almost disposable, so you can kind of like comb it and then throw it away. The other thing is some bobby pins will come really handy, and also of course you've got tissues, and I've got Q-tips. Sometimes if it got in your ear area, so these are very handy. I've got a yogurt cup to fill my hair products in it. You don't need a specific ball. You could go get your fancy vessel, but I prepare to recycle these things. Now, let's get started. Now, I'm wearing my pajamas because I don't want my shirt to get ruined or something. Gosh, this is tricky to open. I just use this tip end. It's a little bit disgusting, the color. Kind of like, this is faster, I think, personally. You're supposed to let it sit for a couple minutes, so the color will completely change. You see how you get rid of the gloves and keep using it? You just do this way. So you could use it later. A good idea is to kind of like comb your hair in this time. And for me, it's fine. I know it's fine. I just find this will be faster. Now you might think, oh girl, this is terrible because it's not going to be even. And you don't need to worry about if it's going to be even or not because you've got the brush. That's when the brush comes in handy. So, this is my yogurt cup. I can throw it away and no sweat. I always use a paper cup or something like that. Alright? This is obviously not glamorous, but I will wash it. I will let it sit for like 20 minutes or maybe half an hour, and you can just see the color of your hair gradually turning, and that's time you wash it off. And I'll see you in a while. Okay guys, I just finished washing my hair. This is what it looks like. I think the color will better show once it's all dry. So I will check with you guys in, whenever my hair actually dries. So guys, so my hair is basically dry. So this is what it looks like. I think this has been a success. Right? So basically wherever, whichever line I'm going for, it's gonna be alright. See? I think this is fantastic. And if I go this way, it also turns out to be pretty good. I know the hair looks a little bit weird because it's not used to be on this side, but me encanta mucho. Why am I speaking Spanish? Anyway, so yeah, voila. So this is my hair after I dyed it. I think I like this. And sometimes your hair color will change after several times of washes. So yeah, you will see how my hair color might change through my videos if you follow me. Well, so that's today's experiment on dyeing my hair. I hope you find this funny. I certainly enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.